Alright, this is going to be a really hard video to make, but I'm assuming you're here because you read the title of the video and now you're trying to see what's up. No, it's not clickbait. This really happened. So, yeah. For those of you that have been following this channel for a while, I know I haven't been posting much for the last however long, but yeah, this happened. Make a long story short, I live in a very, very rural area. Like, I live in the countryest of countries. And as such, there are a lot of wild animals out here. And I was unfortunate enough to knock the living daylight, like the literal crap out of one. So yeah, that's actual deer crap. Hit a deer. And the front end of this car is destroyed. So yeah, I haven't really even dug into the damage all that deep, but I hit the deer hard enough for the airbag to deploy. And according to my dad, who is an insurance professional, has been working in insurance for a very long time, it's probably going to be counted as totaled. So I have fixed this kind of damage on a vehicle before, which you guys don't know about because I haven't posted about it. But it was on a much easier vehicle to fix. This would be a whole lot more difficult and cost a whole lot more money to fix. So yeah, that sucks. But yeah, it looks like the front core support's pushed in pretty aggressively, especially up in the headlight area. And both headlights are destroyed, so even the front, the JDL bash beam I was running is like dented way in. Like, I hit that deer pretty doggone hard. He ran at me like he was ready to die, and yeah, I gave him what he wanted. Not on purpose, not for lack of trying, but did everything in my power to stop, and I couldn't stop in time. It just happened way too fast. So yeah, assuming this car is totaled like my dad told me it probably is, yeah, probably won't be seeing this car on the channel anymore. It is insured, but like it's probably not. They're probably not going to fix it, and I don't think I want to put forth the money and effort to fix it either. So yeah, so it's I'm still fuming. This happened a few days ago, and I'm still fuming pretty bad. I could probably boil an egg on my head, because a year ago I literally did the exact same thing in my other build that you guys don't know about unless you follow my social media. Yeah, you wouldn't know about it if you've just been following me on YouTube. But I destroyed, well, I won't say destroyed, but I hit another deer a year ago and destroyed the front end of it, of that car that I'm looking at right now, that you guys don't know about unless you follow me on Instagram. Yeah, so 2 deer kind of pretty much destroyed 2 of my cars, and I actually kind of hit a deer. The damage isn't that bad. It's just a relatively small dent compared to this, and my truck too. So, and I just said I was thinking about moving, getting out of the country, move to the big city where there's no animals, because it's ridiculous. It's like literal pieces of deer hair stuck. You probably can't see that from there, but literal pieces of deer hair and deer poop stuck all over the front end of this thing. So yeah, if you guys came here for wide body turbo FRS content, yeah, probably won't be getting any more of that if things turn out like I think they're going to turn out. But I might have some parts for sale, so you know, hit me up if you want that. It's depending on what I have. And yeah, I guess all things kind of happen for a reason. And in all honesty, I was actually planning on selling the car anyway, literally about to post it up for sale within the next couple of weeks, and then this happened. So probably won't get back what I estimated I would get, but I mean, like I said, everything happens for a reason. I was planning on getting something else brand new, and in all reality, a much better car than what this is out of the box. The car I was going to get out of the box was going to be much better. But yeah, that might get pushed back a little bit. I think it'll still happen, but it's probably going to get pushed back a little bit. But yeah, I still do have a fair bit of content filmed of this car that I'm going to post. So if you see this video and then see something else get posted about the FRS afterwards, know those videos came in the past and are old content. So yeah, kind of don't know what else to tell you. If you came here for this thing, I'm sorry, but the direction of content I've been filming here recently, I'm sure some of you will like, and it'll probably attract some new viewers, and some of you might leave, and that's okay. But we're going to start doing some different, well, I'll just leave it at that. We're just going to start doing some very different stuff here on the channel. Stuff that's going to be relatively cheaper, but also a lot more fun for me. So yeah, just stay tuned and check it out. I got a lot of stuff filmed down the pipeline. Who knows when I'll edit it, but you know how that goes. But yeah, thanks for watching. I don't know if I'm gonna film myself kind of tearing into this thing or not. My heart still kind of hurts from it, but it's just a thing. I guess it can be replaced. It just, yeah, this was kind of my baby, but all the good things got to come to an end. So yeah, so like and subscribe for more content. There's going to be more for sure. Yeah, and kind of don't know how to end it. Still kind of want to cry, but yeah, like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.